Ever miss out on that perfect trade because your funds weren't ready? Have you ever seen an incredible opportunity in the market, your finger hovering over the buy button, only to be met with the dreaded insufficient funds message? It's a heart-stopping moment for any investor. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, having quick and easy access to your capital is crucial. That's where Questrade's instant deposit comes in. In today's video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about Questrade's instant deposit feature. We'll explore how it works, the limits involved, and how it can supercharge your investing experience. So, if you're tired of waiting for bank transfers and want to seize those fleeting market opportunities, keep on watching. The power of instant deposits. Let's face it, traditional deposit methods can be frustratingly slow. Waiting several business days for funds to clear can mean missing out on that perfect dip or a hot stock on the rise. Instant deposit eliminates this wait time, allowing you to fund your Questrade account and start trading in seconds. Imagine you come across a company about to release a groundbreaking product. The stock price is primed to jump, but you don't have the funds readily available in your account. With instant deposit, you can quickly transfer the necessary capital and capitalize on this exciting opportunity. How does it work? Using instant deposit is a breeze. All you need is a Canadian Visa debit card or Interac debit card linked to your bank account. Here's a simplified breakdown of the process. Log into your Questrade account and navigate to the deposit section. Select instant deposit as your funding method. Choose the Questrade account you want to deposit into. Enter the desired deposit amount. Confirm your bank account information. Hit deposit and voila! The funds are instantly reflected in your Questrade account, ready for you to invest. Understanding the limits. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty, the limits. While instant deposit boasts impressive speed, there are limitations to keep in mind. Per transaction limit, Questrade allows you to deposit up to a maximum of $10,000 per transaction using instant deposit. This provides a good amount of flexibility for most investors. Daily bank limit. It's important to remember that instant deposit interacts with your bank's daily debit transaction limit. This limit varies depending on your bank, so it's a good idea to check with them beforehand. If your desired deposit amount exceeds your daily limit, you might need to contact your bank to increase it to accommodate instant deposits. Beyond the limits, additional considerations. While the limits are important, there are a few other things to consider. Account eligibility. Currently, instant deposit is only available for self-directed and Quest Wealth portfolio accounts. If you have another account type with Questrade, you'll need to use a different funding method. Security measures. Questrade prioritizes security, and instant deposit comes with additional security features to protect your information and prevent unauthorized transactions. The final verdict, is instant deposit right for you? If you're an active investor who frequently takes advantage of short-term opportunities, instant deposit can be a game changer. It provides the speed and flexibility you need to react quickly to market fluctuations. However, if you're a more long-term investor who makes less frequent trades, traditional deposit methods might be sufficient. Ultimately, the decision depends on your individual investing style and needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.